Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm firing up a new grill today. I'm using the Lifedoo grill, the new model they sent me, to make today's lunch. And I have a campfire going, which is where all the smoke is. So I got my fireplace and my grill. I got a lot going on. Mainly I wanted to do the video on the grill because I told him I'd do one and I had it sitting for a little too long. And once the coals are ready, I'll get to cooking. The fire I made just for sheer enjoyment of it, but maybe I'll link that video down below. It's been actually kind of a trying day because it's everything is wet, but nothing wants to stay lit today. I even lit a cotton ball round my buddy Mike sent me, and I lit it, and as soon as I was lowering it to the fire, and it went out. Maybe I'll roll it in. I'll roll it in right here. Finally. Dadgum. Fire didn't want to light today. The grill doesn't want to light today. So what I'm going to be cooking today is something I rarely make at camp. I've been making chili cheese dogs just because it sounded really good. And oddly enough, Cast Iron Wednesday was corn dogs. So check my channel for that. I decided to make corn dogs, so naturally I had hot dogs left over. So I'm going to grill them up, warm up some chili, and then eat lunch and go from there. Alright, so I'm going to do is I'm going to get my chili going. And even though the fire's not ready yet, but it won't hurt to get the chili on and just push it to the side a little bit. It's actually getting pretty close. So I can have it like sitting over here on what I would call like medium to low heat. Of course, keeping an eye on it so it doesn't burn. I got a can of just stag chili. I've made chili at camp before, but I was walking through the grocery store aisle yesterday and I said, ooh, I should make chili dogs. Because who doesn't like a good chili dog? Just a wee bit of water in here, just so I can slosh everything around, get all the goodness out. I'll just put that right there. And of course I'll pack out my trash like I always do. Give a hoot, don't pollute. Alright, I'm gonna check my chili. Oh. Well, it's heating up. I'll do the fork test. Oh yeah. I think that wind is being a pain. I think the wind is hitting the canteen. If not heating up quicker. I mean, it's right above the coals. Now I should have brought my Volar windscreen. I could have set it right here and blocked it. Oops. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. I'm gonna go ahead and get my dogs on. Let's see. I got buns too, which I'm gonna try to toast when these are done. I'll just scoot them over and toast them up. Give these dogs a roll. Oh, there we go. They're cooking up nice. That color. Heck yeah. I don't like my hot dogs cooked too dark. I like them, well, just like that actually. Chili is coming along, heating up nicely. I think throwing off a good amount of heat. Yeah, it's nicely coming up to temp. Dogs are looking good. Oh yeah. Alright, I got my bandana for a pot holder. Check the back sides. Oh yeah. That's just what I want. Not too done. We're gonna move this off. Set it right there to hold it. And we're gonna try toasting up the buns. It shouldn't take that long. And I'll go get my cheese. Got some cheddar cheese. Just grabbed it from home. Oh yeah. Those are looking good. Those are looking real good. Man, it just goes to show you don't have to spend a ton of money to eat well. I think the pack of 8 hot dogs was $2.50. The hot dogs themselves with the 8 pack for $3, because there were 2 for $6. I got the cheese at Costco, so it was $10 for the big block of it. I think it's a 5-pound block. So I guess do the math, figure out how much it was, but let's make one of these guys up. Ow, 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 the bun is hot. Fortunately, I got my little pizza pan. Go with some chili. And then the next crucial part is the cheese. Alright, now that I've fought with the tripod, there you go. Man. Simplicity at its finest. Of course, the big question is, what do we do with the leftover chili? Well, easy. Take your leftover cheese, you pour it into said leftover chili, because I only brought 2 hot dogs with me. Then you just sit here and enjoy the rest of your chili. I could kick myself for not bringing any Texas Pete hot sauce. It was a major oversight. Alright, so I guess final thoughts as I wrap up. I gotta say I'm pretty happy with this grill. It worked well. Cooked my lunch quite nicely. Maybe not the most difficult to dump out. Maybe a little hot still. Yeah, it's still pumping off some heat. So what I'll do is I'll break it down, separate all the components, and I'll let them cool, because they should cool quicker without the ash. And then I'll pack it up and pack it home. I don't want to get too hot in the bag. Only slight discoloration, but something I can't live with. Let's see. Yeah. Well, the metal isn't burning. The metal isn't like super hot. It would burn me if I held my hand down to it, but for the most part, it should break down without the ash now. All right, so that's the Lifedoo grill. Now, don't think that the grill is troublesome. It's just that the camera adds 10 degrees of difficulty. It adds 10 pounds and adds 10 degrees of difficulty. It did work great though. Just putting it away, it's like... So, anyway, don't forget to check below for links. I'm sure there's an Amazon store. I'll link it. I'll put the price in there as well. I'll try to throw it up on the screen somewhere right in the beginning, prices, the weights and all that. I don't really worry about the weight because I'm not going to be packing it other than car to the campsite, which is literally, what, 10 feet? So I didn't go very far. I wouldn't want to backpack it, but it's not really meant for that. It's for car, vehicle, maybe RV. If you have an ATV or a four-wheeler, that'd be kind of fun. Strap it on the back. Has the bag. Just put. I would just fold fold the opening over and just put the strap around it. Good to go. Gravy. Anyway, again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one and have a good day.